Step-by-step relaxer application. Step 1. Pre-service. Do not wash 1 week before a relaxer application. Apply protective base cream to the hairline, ears and neck, and section hair into 4 parts. Step 2. Application process. Apply to the new growth only and start at the nape area. Avoid overlapping onto previously relaxed hair and smooth gently. Step 3. Processing. Follow the recommended timing strictly for each relaxer strength. For fine hair, 10 to 15 minutes. For medium hair texture, 18 minutes. For coarse hair, 30 minutes. And monitor scalp comfort. Step 4. Rinse. Rinse thoroughly with lukewarm water for 3 to 5 minutes minimum. Step 5. Neutralize. Apply neutralizing shampoo. Rinse and repeat until lather is white. Ensure all relaxer is completely washed off from the hair. Step 6. Deep condition. Apply deep conditioner. Cover with a plastic cap. Leave for 10 minutes and rinse off. Step 7. Post-care. Apply break-free leave-in, blow dry on low heat and style.